At the moment situation inomira zvakanaka, people are being warned, my generals are being warned. It seems like everyone is now afraid nekumira nemaconstitutional amendments. And right now, vanhu vari kunzwa chokwadi pachena kunzi support the constitutional amendments at your own peril. Panguva ine tiri kuona kuti pane mavoices aiwa ema-lieutenants ari kubuda achitaura pasocial media sema-critics the constitutional amendments in 2030 vachipa warnings to the people who are involved munawo the constitutional amendments achiti what happened kune magenerals a2017 is going to happen to you also before 2013. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timda payendo ya president under 2030 / Canada anaposta mapicha samuri kuona aiwa the people wamuri kuona vakazi they will be out before 2017. Anoshow another picture lema generals were being buried, another picture read the Mnangagwa dynasty, the picture of VP Constantino Chiwenga when he was sick. Andanyira achiti loyalty to ED is death sentence for your career. He builds his kingdom through the labor of others, only to eliminate them once he succeeds. What we are witnessing today is the transformation of our political party into a dynasty. ED doesn't reward loyalty, he exploits it. Though my developments aripo arutaurwa Gananda achiti the use and dump strategy ndo iri kungoimplementewa. So you my generals vari kuuya panguva ino vachipiwa mari and everyone else ari kuona kuti he is taking part, he is being actively involved with these events. You are being warned. Musazoti hamuna kuudzwa. Tarisai zvakaitika soon after 2017 pakatanga kuwa general by general, brigadier by brigadier, and we are going to witness this maakuzviita. When I comment section medu dzafunguro aim kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.